Hey, spiky friends! Welcome to my world of hedgehogs, where these tiny spiky friends are like living pine cones with personalities. Just like you have about 100,000 hairs on your head, a hedgehog has about 5,000 spines. Imagine walking around with a head full of toothpicks. They roll into a tight ball, just like how you wrap yourself in a blanket burrito when you're watching scary movies. But their blanket is made of spikes. That means they're nighttime party animals. While you're dreaming about ice cream, these little dudes are out there having midnight snack adventures. These spiky night hunters are like tiny vacuum cleaners with legs, slurping up slugs, worms, and insects while you sleep. Did you enjoy our hedgehog adventure? Stay spiky, stay awesome, because life is better with a little spike of fun.